Hey guys, Christina here. So I just got done doing my pedicure on my toes with one of the new spring sets. It's called Rose All Day. And like I said, the Rose All Day and all the other ColorStreet sets comes with 2 sets of nails. So I'll show you, this is one full set and the set I have left over. So I use the one big one for both of my larger toes and then 2 of these. So in order to do a pedicure, I use 3 full strips, which is pretty awesome. So my nails have been naked for a little bit now. So I'm gonna apply the Rose All Day to my nails. So again, thumbs last. That's because you're using your thumbs. I just filed my nails, so they have these little things in them. That's why it's super important too to use the alcohol wipes. And if you don't have these, or if you ran out, just use a little bit of alcohol on a cotton ball to clean your nails, to get off all the fragments and dust or whatever you have on your nails, especially like oils. If you've washed your hands or used soap or anything within the past couple hours before applying these strips. So there you go, my nails are all clean. So again, thumbs last, and so I'm going to start with my pinky. Let's see. And if you're wondering what that background noise is, it's the dishwasher going. So this guy looks okay to apply to my pinky. So another good way to size up if the nail is going to fit your finger is just apply it like that. And if your nail is covering the nail strip like that, the width of the nail to the nail strip, you're good. So real quickly, you take off this top plastic piece, hold it by the silver tab, peel away the nail polish piece. This is your paper, you don't need that. And you're gonna line up the arch of the nail polish with the arch of your nail bed. Do not get it on your skin or the cuticle because that will cause it to raise. So you're just gonna leave a tiny little smidgen gap. Press it down, use your thumbnail to cut, just like that, and you're done for now. See how I have this extra? That's totally okay. This strip kind of sets with the temperature of your body. So the last thing I'm gonna do is kind of use a nail file and just gently file that scrap piece off. Okay, so again, this is the other half of the strip on my other pinky nail. And just gently cut it off. So when you're applying the strip, if you put it on and it starts here, the nail strips don't stick to your skin. So what's gonna happen is that over time, within like the next few hours or even the next day of you washing your hands or in the shower, if you put the strip on your cuticle or on your skin, it's gonna start to lift and kind of just peel off. So that's why it's really important to make sure that the nail strip starts at the cuticle right there. All right, so ring finger now. Let's see. Well, I don't want to do the rose just because it's next to the rose. So I think I'm going to go with this color. Line it up. Press down. And so a couple people have asked about the ombre. They're like, well, is it gonna be like, starting here and then the other way? Well, let me show you. So I put the darker red part on closest to my cuticle, and it's gonna kind of fade out towards the end of my nail. And I'm gonna show you how it looks on your other nail. So see how I can rip off this little tab, and it's gonna create the curve around the dark part. If any of the nail strips are ever too big for your finger, you can just use your nail to kind of cut it off like that on your skin. So see, there you go. So that's how the ombre strips work, or the fade strips, whatever you call them. Okay, middle finger, let's see. I guess I could do that's gonna be too big. I could do the rose again. Sometimes it takes me a minute to measure it out. I just want to make sure it's going to be a good fit. And as you guys do this a few times, you learn. You learn which strips match the best finger, how to apply them. Like, you just get better with time. Just takes practice. Some of the people who have used ColorStreet before said that when they get their samples, not for me, but it could be a sample that they've had for a long time, that the strips are really hard. As you can see, these strips here are very pliable and moist. So if you get some strips that are hard, that is because they are dried out and they are not going to stick or work. So I would not apply them. Message me and I'll send you some new ones. ColorStreet is great too. Like if you're going somewhere special and you're in the car and you gotta like throw on a pedicure or a manicure, you just throw it on really quick and then just throw all these little pieces of trash that I'm collecting down here in a little baggie or whatever. But it's great. Okay, so I got my pointer finger left and my 2 thumbs. So my thumbs, I know I use this guy. But my pointer finger, I want to see if I can use this one. Yes. I love how my nails are so nice and long. I remember when I got my acrylics and my gels off, I wanted to cry because before I got them on, my nails looked like this. And so when I took them off, my nails hurt a ton and they were really thin and stubby and I just couldn't stand it. So I'm so happy that they have grown back and they are strong and they look so much better. ColorStreet kind of helps your nails to be strong. If I don't have polish on, my nails will peel. And then like if I see it peeling, I will literally like sit there all day and kind of peel back the layers. So with the polish on, it helps me from not doing that. And a couple other things too is like you can see that they are shiny. There's already a top coat on these strips, so you do not need to put another top coat on them. If you're going on a cruise or something, I know some people in the past get the clear all day strips and put those over. I've never done that before though. I've only used the clear all day strips with like the French manicures or anything like that. These will stay nice and shiny, honestly guys, until you take them off. I had on the purple pedicure that's on my Facebook page. I had that on for literally 4 weeks, guys, and it was still really shiny. And it still really looked good. I just took it off. It was like growing out, so it needed to kind of go. All right, so I am all set with my fingers here and my thumbs. And if you guys look at the time, it's like I've got this almost done in like less than 10 minutes. I've got like 8 minutes on my clock, but that's also because I've been chatting with you and showing you some tips and tricks along the way. Okay, so again, plastic paper. And remove the cardboard. You want to be careful too that you're not touching the back sticky part of the nail so much because you have oils on your skin, and if you're getting the oils or anything on this, it's just like a sticker or a decal, it's not going to stick as well, so you just want to be really careful. Boom. All right, So there you go. There is my Rose All Day manicure. Woohoo! In under 10 minutes. The only thing I'm going to do from now, or for right now, is use the file and kind of press, see the, like this edge here? I'm just gonna kind of press the file down and kind of tear it underneath, and then gently just buff the edge of the nail and cut off any excess that you have. All right, so there you guys go. Post any questions, comments, or anything you would like to know in the comment box below. But that is it, guys. Thank you for tuning in and have a great day.